Case name Ajay, age is 22 years and today date is 3rd January 2025 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. Ajay, I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Yeah, my name is Ajay and I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am suffering with high pitch voice problem. So I came here for my voice therapy treatment with Sanjay Kumar sir, SLP Sanjay Kumar sir.
Post therapy video of Ajay, and today date is 10th of January 2025. So why you came here and how do you feel after the treatment?
Yeah, my name is Ajay and I came from Andhra Pradesh. I am suffering with the high pitch voice problem. So I came here for voice therapy treatment with SLP Sanjay Kumar sir.
And how do you feel after treatment?
Yeah, I feel better now.
Okay, can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.